The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Yeah, so I look very sweaty right now because I'm back in Jamaica and it's pretty hot. I don't even know where I'm going to post this video, but this video is going to be like a little insider to what my Christmas is going to be like. So usually most Christmases I don't do much. Well, last Christmas was really cool because I went with Kurt's family. We went to have Christmas dinner, had my birthday celebration, everything like that. Yeah, December 27th. Big up to all the Capricorns out there. Drop it in the comments. So, but usually before that, Christmases have never quite been a big thing. Now, Jilly's really big on Christmas. I like Christmas as well, but I think now that I'm in my adult years, I think it's good that I can create an atmosphere for other people, not just someone creating an atmosphere for myself, but me doing the same to somebody else, you know? So this year we're gonna have probably about 10 people over, I'm not sure. I think it's actually 9, but Jilly added Vanilla as a guest. But anyway, we did a bunch of shopping. I got gifts for every single person that's coming. So that's gonna be really cool. And I think we did some thoughtful thinking. Like, I really got some stuff that I thought people were gonna really like. You guys are gonna wanna see that video. Anyway, just in terms of the house now, yeah, it's quite messy because I got back here a couple days. Now I'm just trying to unpack every single thing, trying to finish off as much as I can to make the house look a lot more Christmassy. Right now it's a little bit drab. So for many people might not know, I like working on projects. So I was actually working on a bar table thing. You might not quite see it quite yet, but I'm gonna try to get that at least 90% finished. The draw and the front parts I won't be able to get done, but I should be able to get the stools and stuff. Anyway, that's like some Christmas balls. That's some of the stuff there as well. Trying to set up the table area, trying to get that piece of plywood out there. Yeah, Vanilla also got a new gift as well, so that one might go. And then heading into the bedroom is a bunch of clothes and some of the stuff that I got. So this is basically the atmosphere right now in the house. So anyway, I'm gonna get done with all of that and then I'll show you guys where we get to. Even up there is supposed to get decorated and all that stuff. It's gonna be crazy. Even had these chandelier things installed a while back. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to make this Christmas cool for all the people that are close to me, that are close to me in the heart and also physically really good. But I'll get back with you guys when, yeah, the decorations are on the way, because yeah, it's kind of messy right now.
11.5. No, I'm not gonna touch you. No.
All right guys, so we are now, this is actually day 2. Jilly came by yesterday and we set up the tree. Still a bunch of mess, but anyway, yeah, we're getting quite a bit of stuff done. Up there, we're going to add the, what you call it again? The curtain rods for the kitchen? Yeah, curtain rods. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. And yeah, and Jilly just did the throw. Yo. I tried. I think it wasn't so bad. Oh, and upstairs, we did the, what do you call this? Like a trestle-in?
Garland.
Yeah, it's our version of a garland, because the ones in the US were like, well, we saw some cheaper ones. Oh, yeah, but there were two. But before was, yeah, we never had the space. That's the first thing. So that's what we have. I'll show you guys that later. It lights up as well in red, so it seems like there's like some red berries on top. But anyway, yeah, the mission today is to be to do that, then clear up top so I can store pots and stuff like that, and then we should be good. All right. Go and eat. You have to eat something. Stop. Go on, go eat. Jenny Barricade, go on, go eat. Eh? Can you go on, go eat? Go on, go eat. Eh?
Maybe shave your arm. So you shave your arm and you're supposed to prep it.
Alright, so the curtains are now on. I'd kind of like for the ball to show for both of them, but for the other side, yeah, it's not quite showing. But that's basically that. And Keanu over this. Alright, so I got done one of my first objectives, and now Jilly is wrapping gifts. So this is one of the coldest bottles. There's another one she's wrapping there. Yeah, you remember who the gifts are for? So you can put it on it. Cool. They wrap neat though. Sure know.
Guys, it's wrapping paper. You never know, so wrapping paper come with line.
Of course, babe.
I've never seen it. The paper that I'm buying here.
Yeah, so she's talking about the grid lines. Easy cut, so you know where you gotta do your thing. Anyway, so I'm gonna head back into the kitchen, get all that part sorted out, and then we can go to the tree. Yeah. All right, so this was the bar thing I showed you guys in the previous video. So yeah, I've been working on this for a minute because, you know, doing the whole YouTube thing and also learning how to do this myself took a little bit of a while. So what's gonna happen is I won't be able to put in the drawer this time around or the doors. So what I'm gonna do, because this part was supposed to be hidden towards the wall, so you wouldn't see it anyway. So I'm gonna have this wrapped and everything, put on the top, and then later on I can do whatever. This was supposed to be like an additional storage space to store like pots, pans, food stuff, you know, just to make use of a small area. So yeah, that's that. All right guys, so we've been doing quite a bit up top. I did some organizing and a bunch of cleaning, but here we're gonna try to put up a little, I like space, you know, I like shelves, extra shelves and stuff for some cooking videos I'm gonna be working on as well. And just for the Christmas dinner cook, so I want to do like a drop down type of shelving here. So, you know, if you want to boil like some tea or whatever, you can just put it up there, put out the shelf, do that, or, you know, put some separate apart. So let's get into that. And Jilly said that she has a newfound career. She's now a rapper, so she's making beats. I'm joking, she's not making beats, she's just wrapping gifts. So she's doing up some gifts here. We got these in Kmart.
Still exists?
Target, sorry. So we got these in Target, so she's just wrapping a couple stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. All right, guys, now it's the year 2030, and we are still.
Yes, we are. Okay, it sure feels like 2030.
The Jilly's putting on the lights, because you don't know things set already. She like them type of thing, yeah. Isn't me? This Christmas is really for Jills. Yeah. You're the one who put the spirit. Jesus like, babe, I love Christmas. So
Guys,
here we are.
I'm so happy this only happens once a year because
You owe your ambassador it so much?
yeah, it's fun. But I mean,
I agree.
have this every 6 months. So how old about work, you know?
It is, and it's very expensive.
I
It's very expensive.
but you will have to buy them again.
That's a good part, because the lights, if we take care of them, should be good. We'll use this Christmas tree one more year. This is a 8-foot tree. Oh, oh my God! Listen, don't lean off of it, you know. Keep the 2 feet on it, yeah.
Just pull out that side from me.
So the house is pretty messy, but it's coming along. It's coming along really well. Did a bit of spring cleaning and organizing stuff around. Where you want to drop some?
On top of this. I want it on the next branch from here.
Here, so? Alright, so yeah, we'll catch you guys back in the year 2040. So guys, we are late. It's pretty colorful. I'm not gonna lie, so far the house feels good. I feel like Santa Claus are gonna come back.
Santa Claus better come in with all this work, man.
I'll come back and look for your reindeer.
Oh shit, I have this on still?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
You feel cute? Oh my gosh. Alright. This tree gonna be so packed because we got candy cane and everything to go on it.
It's gonna be lit.
Oh my gosh. Strip off. And I'm gonna you and know. Wow.
Oh, I feel warm and fuzzy inside. You feel warm and fuzzy?
I feel great.
Fuzzy. My heart feels fuzzy.
You happy? That's good. I'm not gonna lie, this is really for you. I'm gonna be honest, guys. This is your shingding, but even so, it makes me feel happy. Like it's really one of those great things, you know? Ooh.
Careful.
Oh. Those are nice. It's your face for me. Yo, these different designs, it's never cease to amaze me. Oh yeah, it's pretty. Let's put it here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
It's true.
It's not even done yet. Anyway, so our Christmas tree is very traditional looking. You know, the reds, the greens, the blues, the yellows. And as Babe was saying, it's a start of a tradition for us. So yeah, Kurt loves Christmas. That was something that I know he loves so much because we have some things that I'm gonna drop on it for some keepsakes from him. And yeah, that's gonna be our tradition. Probably the next year, still gonna use the same tree, but change up the color scheme. Might be all blue, all yellow. I don't know, whatever Julie decides, but that's gonna be it. And then probably go with a unicolor. Maybe, you know, the frosted white colors and whatever. And yeah. But guys, I hope you guys are gonna have an amazing Christmas. I don't even know where I'm gonna drop this video in particular, but just showing you guys, you know, what we are gonna do. You know, this year is the first in a long time that I'm excited about Christmas. Yep, super excited about Christmas this year. And it's not the gifts that I'm going to get, but it's mostly the gifts that I'm going to give.
Excited.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it's gonna be good. It's really nice. Right now, trying to connect this tree to a nice little plug so I can control it, because you know with Jamaica with JPS it's a big thing, so I want the tree to turn off at a certain time and come back on at a certain time. But anyway, I got this little Santa Claus. It's a black Santa Claus. I find that in our culture sometimes it's always a white Santa Claus, so I thought a black one would be cool. And we're gonna add it to the tree. And this Santa Claus is like no other Santa Claus. I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy this one. This one goes on. It's gonna be ridiculous. Where on so? Ooh.
Make sure to the side of the turn.
Sparkle. Sparkle, sir. Hmm?
Right here, lightly.
This I got shot in and this feel like it's like a magic thing does, you know, magic.
Abracadabra.
This side. I cover the ball. I cover the red balls. Maybe we can't cover my balls. Even if it's bangy balls. Oh my gosh. Yo, this I make it shot. Remember you want to be hey, what, you good?
Yeah.
I remember you asked to me about, oh, this ribbon is not enough.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
You know.
And the ribbon said to bam.
Show me a ribbon. How much things are ribbon though?
Yeah. It did all those up top and then here. So it's a long, I'm surprised it actually got down to the Christmas tree. I was like, damn, it's not gonna be enough for the Christmas tree.
Girl.
I never got this ribbon in Price Mart.
Price Mart.
Price Mart wasn't that expensive either.
Those are what?
So it's a lot of ribbon. Check out my Scooby. I don't want to add my PJs.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Where are you? Looks real good. Oh, why does Santa Claus look kind of purple, right?
Yeah,
Them could even catch his skin tone good. That's crazy, bruv. The Santa there, Julie says she hopes Santa not tea for her present car. The son of like say, yo, I go out with beer things. Rotted. that man, God. And of course, I'm gonna put the star in the top. Babe, what direction you want this star for?
Facing.
Back side door? You see the plug? Why plug it? Okay. Hey. That's snowflakes. Babe, can I bring the K? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna tuck this a little bit under there. And then this is gonna be for my boy. Just gonna. You can put it. It's okay. He won't mind. K star. You see it? Yeah, Kurt, just like Judy, was huge on Christmas, like big Christmas fanatic. So I think that's gonna be cool. So we got a K that is I'm gonna put on this tree every single year, but there's also something else that I took from his car. I'm gonna go for it. So we had gone to this local store out here and we got this bead. I'm not gonna put the bead on it, but yeah, so we got this bead. This was in his car. And his car at the time, he had asked me what should I call it, like, you know, what should he call it actually. And because it was black and white, gave it the name Stormtrooper. So this is a little token from it. So I'm gonna also put this here. I feel like I could cry, I ain't gonna lie, but yeah. So Stormtrooper will always be on the tree, buddy. He also had another thing, a little airplane token, but that's my keyring now. That's my keyring. It says K Star Love, spread your wings. Yeah. And you know, for me, he liked to fly, and that was something, you know. I like not to fly a plane actually, but I like to travel. So that's gonna be yeah. Anyway. So basically those are the gifts. I'm gonna wrap Jilly's gift. And then yeah, when she's gone. And we still have more of the house to clear up, but yeah. Oh, here's the bar table thing. It's on wheels now. It can move, but the brakes are on. So yeah, it's coming along. All right. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Catch you guys tomorrow whenever we get this place done. All right, guys. So we are currently at day 10,000. Honestly, don't know exactly where we are, because this is like a whole chop up of different vlogs. But anyway, guess who's back? Back again. So my sister is here for Christmas, like we said. That is the complete Christmas tree with the gifts underneath. Everything got wrapped from like a week ago, and then of course you saw a Christmas tree before when I just took a shower. So that's her there. Yep, begging some patty. And of course Sarah is here. She's just over there doing something on her phone. Oh, and what I actually came back to show you guys really quick before we close out this video is just I would say 80% completion of the bar thing. I was just editing on there just now. So I took out the computer and everything so you guys can see a lot clearer. But yeah, so that's the top, and of course you have some wines down there. Yeah, wines are pretty expensive, so it's not fully decked out yet. We have some up there for Christmas Day. We have, so we went with these because for one, they were a lot more affordable, but then the way they flow underneath, they just tuck under there and it's kind of like the same color. And then over here we have you know, darker liquor and stuff, and some white rums under there. Oh, and the final thing, so like I mentioned before, they're not completely done. The top of this is supposed to be stainless steel, and also for that over there. But what I said, space saver, lifts up there, then you lock it in. It's already locked in without even doing that, but that's just extra sturdiness. And then that's basically that. More space to just pop something on there really quick, and then when you're done, clip them down. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna close off the video here. I think you guys might have seen that market video that we did. If you didn't catch that video, go back. I'll drop the link so you guys can see that. And then I guess the next video I'm gonna show you guys is gonna be us having our Christmas dinner. That's gonna be amazing. We're doing I'm doing homemade ice cream. If you guys wanna see that, drop it in the comments or just come over to the next video. Remember, you see things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.